All right, so let's go ahead and write some of those down. All right.
47. Write that down.
So we got 45, 47. Any others?
90.
Because again, 70 miles is the extent that we can go.
200 blocks.
Past that, you're kind of breaking up a little bit. What?
70 miles.
70 miles.
69.9.
Deepest mine, really?
Push it
Guys,
to the limit.
you gotta remember, humans actually have to go down there and work.
Yeah, you gotta push it to the limit.
Yeah, okay. So, in all reality, deepest mine is only 1.6 miles. Okay, guys, if this is the entire crust, we managed to mine that far.
Go us. Yeah.
At that depth, you're dealing with consistent temperatures over 100 degrees.
Wow. After 1 point.
At just 1 mile into the crust. What about our deepest cave? Deeper or shallower than the mine?
Let's go 1 mile.
Shallower.
Shallower? Alright, so
25.
understand that the mine's only 1.6 miles. What about the deepest cave?
2,000 blocks up.
0.4 miles.
Talking about Minecraft.
Any other guesses? 20 miles.
Oh,
Neil,
0.5.
0.5.
0.6.
2.3. 6 blocks.
2.3. Alright, here we go. Deepest cave?
I know.
1.2 miles.
It was closer. I was all 5 blocks.
And finally, what is the farthest that we've drilled? 2 miles.
2.3 miles.
23 miles.
1 mile. Just borrow some.
7 miles.
Let's buy some bots.
Alright. So guys, let's put things in perspective. The farthest a human exploration has gone, meaning we've actually traveled and seen it with our own eyes, is less than 1/70th of the entire depth of the crust. We've barely scratched the surface. Our drills have only gotten down 1/10 of the crust. Again, put this in perspective. So, drilling's bad. Put this in perspective for a minute. How am I drilling now? 1/10 at the deepest drill. 1/10 of the entire globe. Minuscule. A couple of things again. A couple of things you gotta be careful about when you guys are learning science and when you guys hear stuff. And a lot of times, you have to understand when people are arguing a case, they're not always arguing it fairly. They're using data as a persuasion to you, the audience. And it's really important that you guys learn to differentiate the two. Learn to know when you're being swindled and learn to know what is truth and what is not truth and what is looking for perspective. Arsenic, good or bad? Bad. How do we know it's bad? How do we know that arsenic is bad? Arsenic is a natural compound that is in the earth and often gets into drinking water. Well, why is arsenic bad? Because you could die. And how do we know you could die? Because we pump it into rats and we feed it to them until they die. And then we have politicians that said, oh my goodness, that killed somebody. Okay? Because our politicians then look at that and say, what they don't actually look at is the scientific data behind it. They just say, oh my goodness, arsenic killed a rat. Arsenic is bad and we must ban all arsenic. Sheep farms are notorious for their arsenic levels due to the feces from the sheep. But here's the thing to keep in mind. What they don't look at is the levels of arsenic that you have to have within your system, the concentration of arsenic that makes it bad. Okay? So when you start hearing somebody say, well, this is really bad, you need to start looking at like, okay, hold on here. At what levels is this bad? Carbon dioxide is evil. It's going to kill us all. Global warming. Okay? Look at it. Do you guys actually know what carbon dioxide is in terms of the percentage of the overall atmosphere of Earth?
How much?
You ready?
Yeah.
Carbon dioxide makes up 0.04% of the entire atmosphere.
So many more.
0.04 of the entire global atmosphere. And yeah, we're told that this is going to be the thing that drives us over the edge and into oblivion.
That's
No,
me.
but in 2 months, well.
That doesn't matter.
That's what.
A couple other things too. Learn not to be swindled. If you want to ride your bike because you feel that it's a more environmentally friendly, that's great. I love it. Okay? Do it because that's what you want to do. Don't do it because a politician that flew in on their private jet, got a private ride in their private limo to the event, told you to ride your bike and you need to walk more and take public transportation, as they then vacate the premises in their private limo and get on their private jet and go to the next location to do the same stuff. Don't worry about your carbon footprint when the same politician has over a 12,000 square foot home. His electric bill is over $2,500 a month. And he's telling you, watch your carbon footprint. You need to conserve energy. Don't be swindled. You guys got to read through this stuff. Okay? Now, I'm actually going to do something for you here in a minute. I'm going to get you guys started on your homework, and I'm going to have you guys read something for me.